How to speed up a video on CapCut PC. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily speed up a video on CapCut PC. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up a CapCut PC and then open any project. If you want to create a new project, you could do that. I'm just going to open this existing project right here where I have this video open. And once you open up the video, what you are going to have to do is select a part of the video that you want to speed up. So here is an audio track that I have just added. I'm just going to delete it for now. So what you're going to have to do is first play the video, select the part where you want to speed up. So let's say if I just want to speed up from 3 seconds up to 5 seconds, what you're going to have to do is bring it down to 3 second mark, split it by pressing Ctrl+B or this icon right here, and then play it again and pause again where you want to stop it, and then split it again like this. Now you select the middle portion of the video, just click on it, and once you click on this middle portion, you're going to see the speed option at the top right corner. Just click on this, and once you get to the speed option, you're going to have an option or the slider to increase the speed. So let's say if I just want to double the speed, I'm just going to make it 2x. You're going to also go up to 10, 12, and up to 24x. So I'm just going to go ahead and make it 2x like so. So as you can see, the speed has been increased. So if I move my cursor back and start playing, right here on this mark, the video will speed up. So to make it more apparent, I'm just going to increase it again, click on speed, and I'm going to make it something around 5x. So as you can see, the video sped up in this time frame. And once you have done that, you should be good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.